Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a set of wheel locks on your car. So these are special bolts that replace the existing bolt. You install one per wheel, and they require a key because they have a special head, and here's the key, and that prevents people from stealing your wheels. So other than the wheel locks themselves, you're going to need a socket that fits your wheels, a breaker bar that fits the socket, as well as a torque wrench. Make sure you use the proper one. In this case, this car requires 105 foot-pounds of torque, so I got one that goes up to 150 foot-pounds. Now let's get started. The first step is to decide which wheel bolt you want to replace with a wheel lock. In my case, I am going with the one directly next to the tire valve, so this one on every single wheel. You want to replace the same wheel bolt on each wheel with the wheel lock, otherwise it will look weird. To remove it, you just put your socket on and loosen it. Now you can just twist off the bolt. And there is the wheel bolt. To install the wheel lock, you simply use the key and a socket. Gently screw it in until it catches. And then use your torque wrench. Now, to make sure you're tightening to the proper torque, you first want to look up the torque spec. You can check your owner's manual or do a quick internet search. In this case, we want 105 foot-pounds. So I first turn the handle here until it reaches 100. Yep, there it is. And then turn it until this displays 5. See? 105 foot-pounds. Now we can make sure this wrench is in the right direction and tighten this down until it clicks. Just like that, now we're done. Now we just need to repeat those same steps for all 4 wheels. So once you've installed these wheel lock bolts on all 4 wheels, you have the key here. Make sure you store this somewhere very safe. I recommend if you have a spare tire, keep this in the spare tire compartment. Otherwise, keep it somewhere secure in the trunk or in your glove box, wherever. And make sure you store these safely. You don't want to lose the original bolts if you need them for whatever reason. When you're done with your torque wrench, make sure you store it at the lowest setting. So unscrew this. It's counterclockwise like you're loosening it. But don't loosen it all the way. Loosen it until the lowest setting, in which case is 10 foot-pounds. And then tighten the locking cap at the back. Now that this is locked, you can safely store your torque wrench in the original carry case or put it in your tool chest. And now we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, and I'll see you all next time.